I'll repeat. Okay. So how do you build transition? The first one is this one. So you are getting out of the room. This is your back, and you opened half the door. And in the
I'm
second,
going out.
you take it out of the room. From outside the room, you are taking yourself coming into this room,
Correct.
getting out of the bedroom. The second
Correct.
way to build a transition is this. So when you are showing yourself or you're showing a person getting out of the room, going to the door and touching the doorknob. असा doorknob आहे हातामध्ये. He's
Ah.
touching the doorknob and turning it. त्याचा
Hmm.
close-up असेल जर का. Suppose it's an extreme close-up of a doorknob, right? So this is how it will look, right? So this is the hand, and you're so when the
Hmm.
person goes there, you cut and take the close-up of the hand,
Hmm.
turning the doorknob. And in the second, you just show the doorknob turning from outside, दोन्ही बाजूने.
Ha 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 ha.
So doorknob to doorknob, then you can just pull back or you can. So there are several ways. तुम्ही जेवढी कल्पकता दाखवता, it all depends on what kind of visualization you can do, how you can make it interesting. That's why I say you have to take a lot of close-ups, you have to take a lot of shots, which then you may or may not use. So suppose the time is less, then you will not use the close-up of the knob. कशाला ते पाहिजे नुसता दरवाजा उघडताना घेतला, it's enough. But suppose you have the time, you're building a suspense or showing something, then you can actually go and show the doorknob slowly turning. Then you can show the doorknob turning from the other side. Then the door slowly creaking open, and then the
Correct.
camera moving back, and then showing you
असं
as a
असं
still shot.
हिंदी पिक्चर मध्ये असतं ते.
हा, पण ते खरं कसं असतं की कोणी तुम्ही काय सीन डेव्हलप करताय त्याच्यावर असतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, यू हॅव गिव्हन अ सीन वेर यू आर गेटिंग आउट ऑफ द बेड कमिंग टू द लिव्हिंग रूम. You see, you see some
हं.
bottles and dabas on the table, and that is your story. But suppose I
Correct.
say that it is dead of the night at 2 o'clock in the night, and you're sleeping, and you hear a noise, and you hear a noise. There is dark. The living room is dark. Maybe रस्त्यावरती काही दिव्यांचा एक वरचा आलेला आहे तिकडे. Maybe a ray of light from the
हां,
street
तिथे
light is
तो
coming
डिम
into it.
लाईट ठेवला होता.
And from the room, when you are getting out, the light is behind you from the
हं.
bedroom. The bedroom light is on. Inside, in the living room, there is no light. So how will it look? You can build a suspense, and you can take many shots here. You don't have to have an alarm clock. You can just hear something falling down or some noise outside. So you get up, then you slowly put your slippers on. Then you have to have, uh, you are getting up slowly without making a noise. Then you are slowly putting in the slippers. You're slowly moving to the door. Maybe you got a stick or something in your hand while you're giving to the door. And then when you turn the doorknob, right? You don't turn it immediately. You slowly turn it. Then the camera shifts. The camera shows the doorknob slowly turning, and then the camera shifts again behind, and then you see that it's a cat. आता हे
हं.
cat दिसेपर्यंत then becomes humor. But till that, you can build up a suspense, and then you can give some music, which builds up suspense, right? So it
बरोबर.
all depends on what you are trying to shoot and what kind of cuts you have to give, depending on the story you're trying to tell. The story is paramount. What narration
हं.
you are giving to the audience is paramount. It is not about shots at all. It is not about camera work also. It is about the narrative that you are going to give to the audience. If the narrative is good, then the shots come out good. And then if the narrative is strong enough, then the editor also, gets a lot of things to work on. So one very important thing is a lot of people make this mistake. So for example, I am doing an action. You ask me to speak. So what happens is there is a sequence in how we do it. So when lights on. म्हणजे studio मधली भाषा आहे. Studio or any other shoot, lights on. Okay. Silence. The director shouts silence. Nobody will speak. Then he will say camera rolling. The cameraman says camera rolling. And then the director says action. After he says action, the person who is acting has to wait for a second and then start speaking.
हं, हं.
Once the dialogue is over, then the actor also doesn't move away. So suppose this is a dialogue which I am talking. So I am saying that a good editor can make or break a film. So suppose now you say action. I wait. A good editor can make or break a film.
हम्म.
असं थांबतो आम्ही. मग डायरेक्टर कट करतो. Okay. I'll tell you why. When you are
Okay.
editing the film, you need a pre-roll and a post-roll. बरोबर? तुमचा ऍक्च्युअल शॉट मध्ये असला पाहिजे. 2-3 सेकंद या बाजूला आणि 2-3 सेकंद त्या बाजूला तुमच्या शॉट मध्ये असले पाहिजेत. तर एडिटिंगला जागा राहते. इवन इफ यू वॉन्ट टू पुट अ ट्रान्झिशन, इफ द कट इज व्हेरी शार्प, मग इकडचा थोडासा व्हिडिओ जातो त्या कटमध्ये. राईट?
हम्म.
So you always must roll little earlier and stop rolling little afterwards. The shot is over. That is a very clear this thing. नाहीतर मग आपले शॉर्ट्स कमी पडतात, आपल्याला एडिटिंगला कमी पडतात. एडिटिंगला जागा दिला पाहिजे. And I also talked about number of shots. You keep on taking a lot of shots. Take close up of the knob, take close up of the slipper, you putting the slipper, close up of your hand, putting the alarm off. Maybe you show your expression की काय कटकट आहे. सकाळी सकाळी, oh, it's very so early, I have to already get up, kind of expressions. Then you fumble with the switch of the light switch. उगाच घेऊन ठेवायचे, because you don't know when the narrative will require a particular shot.
हम्म.
So when you're building a story, always take more shots. More shots. आणि आता तर काय पूर्वीसारखं राहिलं नाहीये. पूर्वी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं की the reel used to cost 11,000 rupees. Right? And only 4 minutes. Today you're using everything free of cost, almost, let us say, because the SD card in your camera is reusable in your camera or your mobile phone. You can just dump that footage and again shoot on the same SD card. So there is no cost
Rewrite.
involved there. Then why not take many shots? The idea is, then why not take many shots? Why limit yourself to a particular number of shots? You should always take more shots. You should think of more shots and keep on taking more shots. And then you decide whether you want to put it in the edit or not.
ओके. वन मोर क्वेश्चन वॉज, काल जे तुम्ही एडिटिंग सांगितलं, समजा आपला 3 शॉट्स आहेत.
हम्म.
पहिला शॉट 10 सेकंद आहे, नंतर तिसरा शॉट 10 सेकंद घेतला,
हा
आणि मग दुसरा 10 सेकंद घेतला.
हा
एडिटिंग मध्ये तो 10 सेकंदाचा आपल्याला पहिल्या 1 आणि 3च्या मध्ये आणायचा आहे.
बरोबर.
आता ते जे तुम्ही शिफ्ट सांगितलं ना काल, ते बोटाने करायचं,
हम्म.
तर त्या जो दुसरा शॉट आहे त्याच्या सगळ्या फ्रेम्स कव्हर करायच्या आणि मग ते मूव्ह करायचं का?
कव्हर करायचं आणि मूव्ह करायचं म्हणजे काय?
म्हणजे
नाही, थोडं तेच मी म्हटलं ना, लांब न्यायला लागतं. ते त्या दिशेने केलं ना, ते जातं आपोआप. इज दॅट राईट?
नाही, काल करताना आपण 2 किंवा 3 फ्रेम्सच येत होत्या, बरोबर ना मॅडम? म्हणजे
नाही, काय काल करताना काय मी जे घेतलं होतं तो कट खूप छोटा होता.
हा, छोटा होता. ओके.
फारच छोटा होता. मग तो दिसत होता, पण तुम्ही जर का तो असा पिंच केला असता तर तुम्हाला दिसतं असतं. आय एम गोइंग टू शेअर माय स्क्रीन अगेन टुडे. आय एम गोइंग टू शेअर अगेन. तुम्हाला परत दाखवतो एकदा मी ते. जस्ट गिव्ह मी अ मोमेंट.
हा, म्हणजे तो जो शॉट आहे ना, तो 2 फ्रेम 3 फ्रेम न घेता एक जास्त फ्रेम्स घ्या.
हा, ते ऍक्च्युअल शूटिंगच्या वेळेला जास्त फ्रेम घ्याव्या नेहमी. यू शुड टेक मोर फ्रेम्स दॅन नेसेसरी. म्हणजे अगदीच जेवढा हव्या तेवढ्याच फ्रेम घेऊ नयेत कधी. बिकॉज अदरवाइज यू विल ऑलवेज हॅव अ प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ नॉट हॅव्हिंग इनफ कंटेंट टू एडिट. एडिटिंगला तर जागा पाहिजे ना काहीतरी. सो यू शुड टेक मोर फ्रेम्स दॅन नॉर्मली. बट अदरवाइज तुम्ही जे आता म्हणताय ते जरा वेगळं आहे. तुम्ही जे म्हणताय ते काहीतरी वेगळं आहे. आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू दॅट. लेट मी सी इफ आय हॅव गॉट दॅट एडिट स्टिल ऑन माय.
म्हणजे आज तो व्हिडिओ बघितल्यावर या जरा शंका आल्या.
हा, म्हणजे हा आता माझं मी डिलीट करून टाकलं सगळं कालचं. आय पुट इट अगेन. एक मिनिट. सो आय जस्ट डिलीट ऑल दीज शॉट्स. मीडियाला प्रेस केलं, कॅमेरामध्ये गेलो आणि कालचे 2 व्हिडिओ परत मी घेतोय आता. दिस अँड दिस 2 व्हिडिओ. राईट. आता परत मी आय एम गोइंग बॅक. तुम्हाला दिसतंय का राणे साहेब?
नाही, शेअर नाही केलं का? शेअर केलं?
केलं ना शेअर. शेअर केलंय ना. इज ऑलरेडी देअर.
मला दिसत नाहीये. मी बाहेर जाऊन पुन्हा येऊ का?
बाहेर जाऊन पुन्हा येऊन सुद्धा तुम्हाला दिसत नाही. काल
एक्झिट घेऊन एंट्री.
ओके, ट्राय करा.
else I will see it tomorrow in the video. No
No,
issue.
it's okay. But I will show you here now. इथे दिसतंय ना तुम्हाला?
हा, इथे दिसतंय.
हा,
ओके.
ओके. So I will show it to you here. आता हा पहिला सीन होता आपला. मला तेजस उशी दे असं मी
बरोबर.
बोलतो त्याला, बरोबर? आणि मी तो केला होता कट. मला उशी दे, मला उशी दे, एवढा इथे कट केला होता मी. हा इथे
बरोबर.
कट
ते
केला
प्लस
होता, बरोबर?
दिसतंय तिथे.
हा, नाही त्याच्यात पुढे आहे, पुढे प्लसच्या पुढे आहे. प्लस इथे आहे, मी इथे लगेच कट केला
हा,
होता.
रेड आहे ते.
हा, आता मी त्याला कट करतो. आता काय झालं बघा. आता व्हॉट आय हॅव इज आय गॉट दिस, आय गॉट दिस. मधला एक आहे असा,
हा,
हा डावीकडचा आहे आणि एक मधला छोटासा आहे, हा छोटासा आहे, बरोबर? आता मला हा हलवायला कठीण जातं ना, बिकॉज इट इज सो स्मॉल. त्याच्यावर बोट दाबलं की त्याचे एजेस आहेत ना दोन, म्हणजे हे दोन एजेस आहेत ना, हे त्याचे हे दिस
बरोबर.
एज अँड दिस एज,
दोन
that
साइड.
gets pulled, that gets pulled. So to avoid that, what I should do is I should just expand the view. Now that middle shot you can see like this. And now if I just keep my finger on this, तो हलतो. हे बघा, हा हल्ला बघा. आणि leave it. It goes to the front directly. आता मला परत छोटा व्ह्यू घ्यायचा आहे, so I just pinch it back and I go to the beginning. आता बघा, हा व्ह्यू इथे आला असेल. सॉरी, मला आता दिसत नाहीये.
म्हणजे तो थोडा एक्सपांड करायला पाहिजे, पिंच करून.
पिंच करून एक्सपांड केलं की तुम्हाला दिसतं कुठे तुम्ही काय करताय ते. आता नाही झालेला, तो मूव्ह झाला नाहीये. मगाशी वाटलं मला मूव्ह झालेला आहे तो. हा बघा, इथे मध्येच आहे अजून. सो आय एम गोइंग टू मूव्ह इट अगेन. दिस इज माय शॉट. This is my shot. I'm going to take it again. I'm going to just keep my finger. I'm going to move it. असं दाबून धरून ठेवणार मी तिकडे फक्त. I am just letting the entire thing roll. And when it goes to the beginning of the scene, I drop it. Now it has come. See, हा shot इथे तर सुरुवातीला आला. You generally don't have to do so much. तुम्ही जरासा पुढे गेला आणि सोडला की तो परत पहिल्या जागी जाऊन बसतो. It goes and drops itself in the beginning. So that's how you move the shots. So now I've got the shot where I wanted it. Okay.
पुन्हा आता ते प्रॅक्टिस करू द्या.
You have to practice it. No, without practice, you'll not be able to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to try something else. I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to show you how to edit the sound. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot myself talking. आत्ताचा मी म्हटलं तर dialogue. I'm going to shoot myself talking. So let me do it immediately, quickly. पटकन मी करतो shoot माझं स्वतःला. I don't think you'll be able to see me. So I'm going to shoot myself. All right. So I'm going to shoot. A very important part. काय झालं बाबा, recording failed. मला वाटतं that's because the KineMaster is and sharing is on. Let me take the share off. I'll go back. I'll shoot it and come back. तुम्हाला मला इथे बघता येईल, of course, but okay. A very important part of editing. The editor is probably one of the most important storytellers that we can have. An editor can make or break a film because it's on the editing table that the story is actually composed for the audiences. So I have now recorded this. I'm going to take that into KineMaster. I'm going to go to again join the meeting as well as start KineMaster. It did not allow me to do both the things, sharing as well as this thing. It could not do it, catch up with that. So I'm going to first start my join the group again, join the meeting here. I think I'm back in the meeting. Yes, I'm back in the meeting. My video I'm turning off. And then All right. I think I've got a call. Bharat is going. I have to take this call. Just give me a minute. Good evening. You're not missed much.
Sorry for late joining.
No, no, you're not missed much. Don't worry. I'm joining back. I was just showing things. All right. So now I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to keep it 16 by 9. I'm going to go back to my camera and I'm going to import the video that I just shot. This is the video that I just shot. So it's a very short one. So I suggest you all do this exercise. Just say something because you can't hear the voice here. आता इथे या एका मेथडचं लिमिटेशन असं आहे की I can't make you hear the voice of what I'm doing. Let me try it. Of course, I'm going to put my the mic off from here. I'm going to put video is off, and I hope you'll be able to hear it now. No. This is a serious limitation of this method. Very serious limitation of this method that I can't have both. Now, how do I show this to you? The question. I'm going to show this. I suggest everybody does the same thing. Please go and shoot something. Even if it is yesterday's shoot, whatever you're taken. I want you to try this out. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going to show you how to edit sound now. I'm going to use this video and I'm going to try and edit sound. I'm going to be completely hypothetical because since you can't hear what I'm doing, I'm going to show you what happens when you're doing a sound. All right, so I'm going to introduce another video or a picture here. Let us say I've got this picture of the bird here in the beginning, right? And I've got another picture of the bird here. Another picture here. So I've got two birds on my view. हा एक पक्षी आहे माझ्याकडे, right? And I'm going to use yesterday's trick. I'm going to use the start frame here and the end frame here, right? That makes my first one. The second one is already there horizontal, so I'm not going to change anything here. Now, I've got some music here. I'm going to introduce music. I'm going to take the first or second one which comes to my, let us say, energy now the music. I'm going to introduce that. So, there is a music here. I introduced it twice. So, you can see this. This layer, the upper layer is the video layer. Upper layer is the video layer. And the lower layer is the music layer. Right? Now, when the bird is on the frame, I want to hear music. Whereas when I'm talking myself, I don't want to hear the music, or maybe I want the music very low. And then again, when this bird comes into picture, I want the music to be high. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now edit the music. By default, when the music is introduced in any film, it is at 0 decibels. Normal voice, right? Normal music sound is at 0. Now, I have to keep 0 in the beginning. And when I start speaking, I want to reduce the music volume. Go ahead till the music. If I show you a graphic here, let us say that in the timeline, Please pardon the rough drawing. These are the three audio video clips here, and this is the music track, right? Here the music is at zero. This is the zero line, right? This line is the normal line of the music. That is the volume. That denotes the volume of the music, right? Now, what I want to do is I want to add a frame, something that's called the keyframe here. I want to add a keyframe here, here, and here. There's already a keyframe in the beginning, and there's a keyframe in the last. It's called keyframe. Now, what? Let us say I added a keyframe here when this part is about to end. This video is about to end. I've added a keyframe. I've added a keyframe when this video is about to start. All right. So I'm just going to these are the two bands. This is where the first video is about to end. This is where the first video is about to start. So I'm taking some frames here and some frames here. Again, when this video is about to end, I've kept a keyframe here. And when this video starts, त्याच्यानंतर थोडासा एक keyframe. So before the first video ends, I'm keeping the keyframe. And after the second video starts, I'm keeping the keyframe. So I'm having this. So I give a simpler representation now. See now. So the first video is ending here. I have kept little frame. Before the first video ended, I have kept a keyframe below that on the audio track. This is the audio track, and this is the video track. This is the video track, and this is the audio track. And immediately after the second video starts, I have kept the keyframe. Again, before the second video ends, I kept the keyframe. And again, after the third video starts, I've kept a keyframe. And this is the audio track complete, right? Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pull this dot and this dot down. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make the structure like this. I'm going to use a normal pen. I'm going to change the structure of the audio track like this. So here the volume is 100%. Here I may be reducing it to say 25%. It stays 25%, and I again increase it to 100. Sorry, not here. Sorry, here. Right? So I increase it to 100% again. म्हणजे काय होईल? When the bird is on, the music will be full volume. When I speak, the entire structure goes down below 25%, and then again when the audio video starts the next one, the volume will again increase, right? So I'm going to show it to you how I'm going to do this now. So here it is. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to do it with my mouse. Okay, so if you see this entire track here, now what I do is I go to the beginning of this entire thing here, right? I'm going to the beginning of this entire thing, and I'm going to click on the audio track. I just selected the audio track. Now I move this just before the first video is about to end here, right? Somewhere here. And I click this button, third button on your menu. Can you see this one? This one? Yeah. I click that. It opens the volume envelope, right? It opens the volume envelope. And I'm going to give this plus sign here, this plus sign here. Can you see this plus sign? I want to click this. And can you see what happened on the track below? There's a red dot. Can you see that? Where I press, there's a red dot. Now, I'm going to move this again. थोड़ा सा I'm going to move this again. And when my second video, when my video starts, after it starts, I'm going to give another plus sign here, right? So there are two plus signs. See, exactly the way I depicted in the diagram. Now I'm going to go here. Sorry, I'm going to go to where my video is ending. Just before my video ends, I'm again going to press this plus here, and then again after the bird video starts, I'm going to press plus. So in effect, what I have is I'm going to pinch it and show the entire one. You see this now, exactly as I did in the diagram. Can you see these four dots? Right? Now I have to navigate between the dots. Can you see those two arrows there below the plus sign in the volume envelope?
Yes.
Right? So that is for navigation in those keyframes. So I click this, it moves. I
Okay.
click again, it moves. So it has gone to the beginning of that keyframe. See, it has gone there.
Hmm.
Right? Now this is where I want it 100%. So I move ahead. I go to this keyframe, and now here I reduce the volume here. From this, I reduce the volume to say uh, 16%.
Okay.
Okay, you can't see it, I suppose. I reduce it to 16. See this.
Hmm.
Correct.
See, you can see that. Can you see it? It is
Yes,
reducing. You can't see it. Sorry.
we can
Maybe
see.
now you can see. See now you see.
Hmm.
See, right? So I'm going to keep it to say, let us say about 28, 25% or original 24. Then I'm going to use this one and move ahead. This one and move ahead. Right? I go. Sorry, I can't see like this. I have to do here. I go ahead. Now I want this one. I want the third one. This I'm going to reduce to again 25%. अभी देखो क्या हो गया.
Yes.
Now when I play this, now when I play this, the volume of the music will go down while I'm speaking. What I'm going to do now is for you, I'm going to quickly, I'm going to quickly cut this thing. Trim right of the player. All volume is gone. Now I'm going to export this. This is also well, I'm going to show it to you right away. Then we can do it again. Now on the menu on the right side, when in the circle above the circle, you can see that up arrow.
Hmm.
Right? I press on the up arrow. Now I get this. Now
Yes.
you'll understand the reason why I talked about frame rate, resolution, and bit rate. Right? If you see the resolution there, it is from 4K to QHD to HD to 360p. Now you know the meaning of all this if you remember this. Right? So I'm going to keep it HD. Frame rate is 30. I'm going to keep it. And by reducing or increasing this, right, you can see what is happening there. The bitrate is changing, right? The bitrate is changing. At the same time here, you can see the file size changing. See this.
Yes.
12 MB, and if I keep the highest bitrate is 45 MB, right? 12 MB, 21 MB, right? So this way I can control the size of the file, right? I'm going to export this directly. I'm exporting it. I have no idea how the sound is sounding right now, but I'm exporting it and I'm sending it to you on WhatsApp right away. Share. WhatsApp. Batch 3. Send. There it is on your mobile phone. Now just play it and see. Got it? Got it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it is so simple to edit sound. Now it will depend on which sound you are taking. This music itself is very loud. All right. This music itself is very loud. So let us say I'm going to choose another music. I'm going to show it to you once more so that you get it very clear. Let us say I choose some other music. This was itself a very loud music. Let's say I choose a little lighter music. I think this is little lighter. Yeah, it is, I think, piano or something. So I'm going to use the same process now. I'm going to use this. Oh, okay, I have to first tick. Okay, I go here. I select on the sound. I use the music envelope. I add a keyframe, then I go ahead, I add another keyframe, then I go ahead, I add another keyframe, and then the last keyframe just before after the bird thing starts, and I'm going to cut this audio also. This is a tick mark. I cut this audio. I don't want this part of it. Trim, split to the right. Okay, gone. Now I'm going to again click on the audio, click on the envelope. I can see the envelopes that are given. I navigate by using these arrow keys. These arrow keys, if you see, I pressed it here, right? I navigate here. I navigate here. This I reduce to uh, say 15%. I go ahead again. I reduce it to 15%. Here it is. My audio is done. I'm going to again export it. So same export I'm going to use. I'm sending it back to you. And I listen to it while you are listening to it. All right, it's done. Now, which one is it? Which one did I use now? 1080p. Okay, this is one. And I go back to WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Batch 3. Send. There it is. Yeah, you can just have a look at it now.
Yeah, one sec. It has come.
Yeah. I'll
A very important part of editing. The editor is probably one of the most important storytellers that we can have. An editor can make or break a film because it's on the editing table that the story is actually composed for the audience.
Yeah, it has come out well.
चांगलं झालं.
Really well.
Yeah, this one has come out better, right? So perfectly we have been able to get it done.
That is because of that music.
Music, yeah. The music itself was very loud, and so it did not have much effect.
एक याच्यावर एक जस्ट क्युरी आहे, विचारू का?
हा, विचारा ना.
आता हे जे तुम्ही हा साऊंड ट्रॅक टाकला त्याच्यात म्युझिक आहे ऑडिओला,
हम्म.
आणि आपल्याकडे समजा एक अशी फिल्म आहे किंवा व्हिडिओज आहेत की ज्याच्यात सगळ्या मित्रांचे छोटे छोटे व्हिडिओज आहेत वगैरे वगैरे वगैरे, आणि आपल्याला ऑडिओला आपल्याला एक हिंदी गाणं टाकायचं आहे.
बरोबर. कौस्तुभ तुमचा आवाज माईक ऑफ करा. हा.
आपल्याला एक हिंदी गाणं टाकायचं आहे.
हा.
तर आता ती फिल्म समजा, ती जी वरचा जो फिल्म आहे ती आहे 2.5 मिनिटाची,
हा.
आणि गाणं ऑडिओ ट्रॅक जो आहे तो आहे 3 मिनिटाचा. हिंदी गाणं आहे ते, असं धरूया आपण. सो इट इज 3 मिनिट्स.
हा.
हॅलो,
हो, ऐकू येत आहे मला. बोला.
ऐकू येतं ना? ओके.
हो.
सो इट इज 3 मिनिट्स. म्हणजे
हा.
2.5 मिनिटाला कदाचित असं होईल
हम्म.
की ह्याचा एक स्टॅन्झा अर्धाच येईल.
बरोबर.
तर तो आपल्याला करेक्ट करता येतो का? तो 2.5 मिनिटाला तुटतो आणि दॅट्स इट, संपलं.
एक तर तुम्हाला जास्ती व्हिडिओज टाकायला लागतील, नाही तर तिकडे तो स्टँडचा कट करायला लागेल.
ओके, गॉट इट.
देयर इज नो वे टू रिड्यूस द साऊंड लाईक दॅट. आणि करता येतं. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल If I click on this, if I click on this and I go here, ह्याच्यामध्ये आहे का बघतो, ह्याच्यामध्ये नाहीये. There is no way to do it here. पण बाकीचे जे आमचे सॉफ्टवेअर असतात त्याच्यामध्ये ऑडिओचा स्पीड कमी जास्त करता येतो. पण ते जर का केलं तर
तर गाण्यातली मजा जाईल.
नाहीच म्हणजे येणारच नाही ना. इट विल बी व्हेरी बॅड. ह्याच्यामध्ये नाहीये, कुठेही नाहीये. ह्याच्यामध्ये ते तो भाग त्यांनी दिला. पण ह्याच्यामध्ये व्हिडिओ स्पीड अप करता येतो बाय द वे. तुम्हाला दाखवतो. I
ओके.
just show you. I just add a video. Let me see what I have. I don't even know what I have. Generally, don't have much videos on. I don't have any videos. मी सगळ्या आता मध्ये काही दिवसापूर्वी काढले होते व्हिडिओज. लेट सी. माझ्याकडे व्हॉट्सअप व्हिडिओज कचरा येतच असतो, त्यातला एखादा घेतो ना.
नाही, इट्स ओके. आय गॉट द
नाही, आय
पॉइंट.
जस्ट शो यू. हे बघा, हा व्हिडिओ आहे. आय डोंट नो व्हॉट इट इज. कुठला तरी डान्स बिन्स काहीतरी आहे. देयर इज समथिंग हिअर. हा, कुठला तरी व्हिडिओ आलाय लहान मुलांचा डान्स. सो इफ यू सी दिस व्हिडिओ नाव, ऑल राईट, दिस द व्हिडिओ. हा व्हिडिओ आहे. आता व्हिडिओला करताना आय क्लिक ऑन दिस, इमिजिएटली तिकडे स्पीड आला. बघितलं स्पीड. आय क्लिक ऑन स्पीड अँड आय इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज द स्पीड हिअर. हे बघा. सी दिस.
हां. ओके. दॅट रेड लाईन.
आता जर का मी त्याला 4x केलं, 4x केलं तर तो व्हिडिओ कसा प्ले होईल आता बघा. नाही, तो फारच फास्ट झाला. 4 पट फास्ट झाला. तो माझा हा मोबाईल पण रेंडर करू शकत नाही इतक्या फास्ट. ओके. सो यू कॅन चेंज द स्पीड. यू कॅन चेंज द स्पीड. आपण एक काम करूया. आपण हा व्हिडिओ आहे ना थोडासा कट करतो मी. अगदी थोडा घेतो. क्लिप राईट. आणि हा व्हिडिओ मी आता काय करतो, स्लो करतो. ओके. आता मी स्पीडला जातो आणि हा स्पीड नॉर्मल करतो. वन म्हणजे नॉर्मल स्पीड. ओके. हा तुमचा पहिला ओरिजिनल व्हिडिओ आहे. हा पहिला. ओके. आता त्याला मी काय करतो, सिलेक्ट करतो, स्पीड करतो आणि कमी करतो स्पीड. कमी केल्यावर त्याची हे वाढतं बघा, नंबर ऑफ फ्रेम्स वाढतात बघा. हे बघा,
राईट.
पहिला नंबर ऑफ फ्रेम्स वाढतायत. बट आय से आय एम गोइंग टू मेक इट हाफ द स्पीड. आता तोच व्हिडिओ कसा प्ले होईल बघा. पाहिलं, स्लो मोशन झालं.
करेक्ट.
तर तुम्ही जर का स्पीड कमी केला तर फ्रेम्स वाढतील. म्हणजे 10 फ्रेम. इफ देवर 100 फ्रेम्स, नाव इट्स ऍडेड 1 फ्रेम इन द मिडल, सो इट्स 200 फ्रेम्स. सो इट प्लेस स्लोवर. म्हणजे ऍक्च्युअली बी स्लोवर. अँड इफ यू इन्क्रीज द स्पीड, the same number of frames will be played in lesser amount of time, so action will be faster. But that is okay with video. You can't do it with audio. Audio will also speed up. म्हणजे मी बोलतोय त्याच्या डबल स्पीड मी विचित्र ऐकू येईल. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट हॅपन्स. ओके.
या गॉट इट.
या. सो एनीबडी एल्स हॅज गॉट एनिथिंग टू आस्क? एनी डाऊट? प्लीज आस्क मी. एनीबडी हॅज गॉट थ्रू एनी?
सर, मला एक विचारायचंय.
बोला.
एक्सपोर्ट आणि शेअर फक्त तुम्ही कसं केलं जरा परत?
हो, सांगतो ना. आय एम गोइंग टू शो दॅट अगेन. मी मगाशी ते एक्सपोर्ट करण्याच्या याच्यामध्ये टाकलं. ओके, आय एम गोइंग टू शो इट अगेन. सो एक्सपोर्ट. हा,
की आता काल ते व्हिडिओ होते ना तुम्ही शेअर केले ते उशी ते, त्याचा मग आपल्याला असं ऑडिओ स्प्लिट काढता होतो का बाहेर?
हो, येतो करता. दाखवतो ते पण. आता आधी मी ओके, आय शो दॅट फर्स्ट, दॅट वी कॅन देन आय शो यू द शेअरिंग. सो आय एम गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन मीडिया, राईट. I'm going to again go to the WhatsApp videos. It seems to be there has to be some interesting videos there. And I'll see what I have here. By default मध्ये सगळेच्या सगळे videos download होतात. Let us say, okay, we'll take the same video again. Dance वाला. आता डान्स वाला व्हिडिओ मध्ये काहीतरी म्युझिक आहे. I don't know what music it is. but there apparently is some music there for the dance. Now, what I have to extract the audio. आता समजा या गाण्याच्या जागी मला एखादं हिंदी गाणं टाकायचं. So what I want is I want to remove the audio. I click on the audio. I click on the video here. Then I go here. खाली बघा इथे. Last मध्ये there's something called extract audio. Can you see that menu?
Yes.
I'll show it to you again. If I select the video and in this menu, lowest one is called extract me audio. And I click on extract audio. See, the audio got extracted. Now this is a different audio. This is the audio of that video. In that place, you can introduce another song. So I can just delete this audio directly. Now it is without any audio. This song is without any audio. All right. Now I can introduce some other song there. कळलं का मंजुश्री?
हे परत आता हे मी आता त्या व्हिडिओ कडे आले आहे का? आता हाऊ डू आय गेट टू दॅट पॉइंट एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट ऑडिओ?
Tick on that video the way I ticked it now.
Okay.
And this right menu which you see here, the one with the speed, clip, graphics, speed, reverse, rotate, mirroring है ना?
हो.
त्याच मेनू मध्ये खाली खाली जा.
Okay.
You get the extract audio.
Okay.
There it got extracted. Now the audio and video are different, but remember one thing: once you extract the audio gets separated from the video. If you change the audio, video will not change along with it.
Okay.
Then your syncing will be lost.
Okay.
All right. So unless you're sure, you should not extract the audio.
Okay.
Only when you finish everything, all editing, you want to listen to what is there, only then you extract the audio one by one and then put another audio in that.
Okay. I could do it. I tried it.
So never do that. Okay. Then there are some other things like there is a reverb you can see on the menu. It gives the reverb echo type effect here. You can try it out. Okay. There are several things that you can do. Voice changer आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये alien, two-face. This is just ornamental things. It will just change the voice, something funny. That's all. Okay. I never use those things unless I'm doing something. For example, a flute or rendition ला थोडासा reverb टाकला ना की छान वाटतं ऐकायला.
Okay.
Instead of having the original one.
हॅलो
हा बोल चैत्राली.
सर कधी कधी काय होतं की म्हणजे आपल्याला व्हॉइस ओव्हर करायचं असेल तर ते कसं करायचं म्हणजे एखादं आपण शूटिंग केले आणि त्याचा व्हॉइस एक्झॅक्ट नाही होते मग तो जर इथे चेंज करायचा असेल आणि आपल्याला व्हॉइस टाकायचा असेल तर
दोन गोष्टी असतात चैत्राली. एक व्हॉइस ओव्हर असतो आणि एक डबिंग असतं. ओके. व्हॉइस ओव्हर असतो आणि डबिंग दोन्ही वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. आता मी जे बोलतोय ते तुम्हाला रिपीट करायचं व्हॉइस बरोबर आला नाही तर तुम्हाला डबिंग करायला लागेल. माझी जसे ओठ हलतात यू हॅव टू डब इट एक्झॅक्टली ऍज आय स्पीक. सो इफ आय से चैत्राली आंबळे then you have to look at my lip movements and say it exactly as I am saying here Chaitrali Ambre with the right tone. That is dubbing. आणि त्याच्यासाठी dubbing artists असतात and they charge a big amount for getting things perfection dubbing. Right? To dub a perfect thing, it takes a lot of art. It's a skill which you have to learn. Right? So that is dubbing. But if it is a voiceover, so for example, this one is a dance going on and I give a voiceover saying that look, this is a new video we have found and there are some African children who have invented or designed a new form of dancing, a new method of dancing. Right? Actually it is exactly that. So there when I go, I have to give a voiceover where it doesn't matter what the music is, but you can give a voiceover. Now there's another tool for that. If you see the recording tool here, right? You can actually use the recording tool and directly give a voiceover. Now, I can't do it when I'm sharing the screen.
Okay.
Right? You have to try it yourself. Or you can record it on your voice recorder in your mobile phone. Right? Okay. You can record it in the voice recorder and then import that audio just the way you imported music.
Okay.
Get the point? Chaitrali?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I want to record voice even directly on this particular thing, I can do it, but I can't do it while I'm sharing the screen. You can try it out. You can just press the recording button and you start. You can just start recording. So you can just record whatever you want to, and it will get recorded there right on the. Actually, it is happening now. If you see that there is a red line going across, which
हा
means whatever I'm speaking is getting recorded there, and I can keep on speaking. So here is a video of some African kids who have invented a new form of dance, and this dance has become very popular across the world, and it's going viral everywhere across the internet. It's breaking the internet apart. So this is the new form of dance that these kids have invented. Have a look at it. Have fun. So that is my.
याचा याचा उपयोग सर आपण जेव्हा बाहेर
आता ते recording was too short आलं. Anyway, बोला बोला. हा बोला बोला राणी साहेब बोला.
हा याचा उपयोग आपण जेव्हा बाहेर फोटो व्हिडिओज करतो लाईक फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी शॉट सम पीक्स ॲट सह्याद्री रेंज
हम्म,
अँड देन नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ आपण केला असे गोदावरी रिव्हर
हम्म.
आणि जेव्हा ती आपण व्हिडिओ दाखवतोय तेव्हा सह्याद्री रेंज आहे हे कळण्यासाठी वी कॅन से दॅट इट्स अ सह्याद्री रेंज.
Yes.
आणि नंतर जेव्हा ऍक्च्युअली गोदावरी रिव्हर येईल तेव्हा आपण वी कॅन से इट इज गोदावरी रिव्हर सो दॅट
Yes.
पीपल कुड अंडरस्टँड.
Yes, yes,
असा
absolutely.
उपयोग करता येईल का त्याचा?
माझे असे अनेक व्हिडिओ आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू वन व्हिडिओ. Just one moment. Of course, it's not done in KineMaster, but
ओके.
we are not just doing KineMaster, isn't it? We are doing the art of filmmaking. So I'm going to show you one video. This is generally a thing which is followed in making documentaries. When you're doing documentaries, this is what we do. So I'm going to show you a few videos. All right, here is my album channel, and
काही दिसत नाही मला. तू कॉम्प्युटरवर करते का बरोबर?
where are my videos now?
तुमचं मंगेश सर तुमचा मोबाईल दिसतोय मला.
माझा मोबाईल दिसतोय ना हो, कारण मी अजून मोबाईलच शेअर करतोय. आय जस्ट टेक इट ऑफ. एक मिनिट. आय स्टॉप शेअरिंग. All right. I've not yet gone to that video. Wait a minute. I'm just trying to find that video. माझे सगळे व्हिडिओज गेले कुठे ते शोधतोय मी माझ्या चॅनल मध्ये. ओके, वी हॅड मेड अ फिल्म कॉल्ड मैं बाबा अमते बनना चाहता हूँ. अशी एक मोठी फिल्म आम्ही नावाची फिल्म बनवते. और आय शो यू अनदर फिल्म विच I made a film for Raj Bhavan. I had got a contract directly from the government of Maharashtra, Raj Bhavan. I had made a film on the Nagpur's Raj Bhavan. They had created a wonderful biodiversity park there, and I had made a film for them. I'm going to show you that film, and you have a look at that. Just 1 second. Okay, got the idea?
Yes.
So that is how you do this particular thing. So you get a voiceover, record it separately, dump it, and then mix it with the sound, and you lower the sound of music. Keep on lowering and increasing, and you have the voice. You can cut the voice into several pieces and put it into the place where you want that sound to be. इतकं सोपं असतं. Actually काय फार कठीण नसतं. It just requires a lot of patience. You can't take the very important thing in filmmaking is there is simply no chance of not doing the right thing. Otherwise, the audience immediately notices the mistakes, the flaws in the film. Audience is very clever. छोटासा सुद्धा flaw त्यांना दिसतो. So you just have to have a lot of patience and you have to have a lot of diligence while making the films. That is very important. ऑल राईट. आणखीन काय डाऊट्स आहेत का? प्लीज आस्क मी एनी डाऊट.
ते ऑडेसिटी कधी शिकवणार तुम्ही?
उद्या 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 उद्या.
आमचं काही
सेव्ह
download
कशी करून ठेवायची आपण जे केलेलं आहे ते?
ते आता आता त्यांनी विचारलं होतं ना मला मगाशी, म्हणजे आता ते शेवटी दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला.
ओके
ते शेअर करतो ना, ते सेव्ह होतो तुमच्या मोबाईल मध्ये.
ओके ओके. सो ऑटोमॅटिकली इट सेव्हज.
हो येस. आणि तुमची जी फाईल KineMasterची आहे ती ऑटोमॅटिकली कीप्स ऑन सेव्हिंग इटसेल्फ कंटिन्युअसली. सो यू डोंट हॅव टू वरी अबाउट सेव्हिंग द फाईल. आपण वर्ड मध्ये वगैरे सेव्ह करत असतो सारखे, तर काही गरज नसते त्याच्यामध्ये.
म्हणजे एक्सपोर्ट केल्यानंतर डायरेक्ट सेव्ह होतं.
एक मिनिट. काय म्हणणार?
एक्सपोर्ट केल्यानंतर डायरेक्ट सेव्ह होतं
एक्सपोर्ट
ऑटोमॅटिक.
केला मी दाखवतो ना कुठे सेव्ह होतं ते सुद्धा.
ठीक आहे. ओके ओके.
म्हणजे दोष तुम्ही काहीतरी बोलत होता.
सर मला एक विचारायचं होतं, तुम्ही जे काल सांगितलेलं बघा, म्हणजे आपण इमेज जी घेतो ती पूर्ण व्ह्यू झाली पाहिजे, म्हणजे एक त्याचं बाजूला असं ब्लॅक वगैरे नाही यायला पाहिजे.
येस येस.
तर ते कसं हे करायचं
ओके,
सांगितलं?
I'll show that. Let me go back. I'm back. Okay, here I am. So I'm back on the screen. आता दोन गोष्टी दाखवायच्या आहेत तुम्हाला. पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे when you are taking photographs, what happens a lot of time is a lot of people in their enthusiasm because they are new, they keep on zooming in, zooming out the photographs. We play with the photographs, but you should be very careful in avoiding that black background to be seen in the film, because that is actually bad editing. So let us say I'm taking these photographs. I'm going to take a few photographs. I know there are some vertical. This is a vertical. I think this is a vertical photograph. This is a horizontal photograph. I'll take some more. Let us say I don't know which one. This is some other photographs I've taken that day. Okay. Right. So these are some other photographs. Now they are 2 seconds each now. So I just have to increase their. I want to increase 2 seconds to more. So I just here they go. Right. So it goes to 5 seconds, about 5 seconds. So I tick on it, and I pull that handle, yellow handle, and pull it. Right. That's how we change it. And I go here, again change it. Go here. Now this is where it happens. So because I've got this bird here, which is a vertical photograph. All right, the bird is vertical. क्या होता है? पुढंच होत नाही. Duration. दिसतं जात नाही यार तुम्हाला. Okay. Right. So I've got the board also. Now, what happens is, now let us say even this is the horizontal photograph. When we want to move that photograph, when you click on this clip, right, photograph, when you click, now that is a clip, right? It is a clip. It is a video clip for us, even though it's a photograph. Now, if you see that middle tool, the middle tool here, can you see that pressed, right? When you press that, you see start position and end position, and you can very well clearly see that the start position, the photograph is within that rectangle, red color rectangle, and the end position also is within the rectangle. You have to be very careful. So I am going to define the start position by clicking on that, and I'm going to expand this,
Okay.
right, and I move it. Now I can see that the entire screen is filled. Sometimes people don't do it this way, they keep it like this. हे बघा. Now what you can see is the screen, the dark areas are visible. Can you see this?
हम्म.
We should not allow that to happen. You should expand it till it fills the entire screen. If the photograph does not look good on the entire screen, then it is worth discarding the photograph and using something else rather than compromising on the uh, black screen. All right, that's very important. Or for example, this photograph. So, can you anybody tell me what this is? काय आहे माहिती का?
US.
It's a praying
Daubindu.
mantis.
No. It's not a praying mantis. See, हे काय आहे सांगा मला.
US.
दवबिंदू आहेत ना.
हा? हो.
दवबिंदू आहे.
कशावरती आहेत?
गवतावर नाही. काय?
Are those dewdrops?
They are dewdrops, but they are on what?
ग्रास.
Moss. शिवाय आहे ते. It's moss. They are on
Oh.
moss. I've clicked a macro photograph of the moss. See, I'll show you. It's a macro of the moss. See, it's a macro of the moss. Moss चा आहे तो close up. Right? This is just grass. And on that grass, if you see, there is actually याच्यामध्ये आलं नाही आहे बहुतेक.
हा फोटो कॅमेराने काढला आहे का?
मोबाईल
नाही.
मी सगळं मोबाईलवर काढतो. एव्हरीथिंग इज ऑन द मोबाईल फोन. हे बघा, त्याच्यावरती इथे जर का पाहिलं तुम्ही तर देर इज ऍक्च्युअली अ कॉबवेब. इतना छोटा सा कॉबवेब है एंड देर इज अ स्पाइडर ऑल्सो इन दैट. ओके, नेचर मेक्स एवरीथिंग ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज अ ड्रैगन फ्लाई व्हिच आई गॉट. So this is how you do it. All right, this is how you do it. So avoid the black areas. Never allow the black areas to be seen in your film. It's very bad filmmaking. It's a very bad thing. You're actually insulting the viewer. All right. Never allow those black areas to be seen. I'm going to delete this video. So here we have got this. Right. आता music मला extend करायचा आहे. Just click this and extend the music out. It goes right up there. Right, that's how you use that. Now exporting the media. So I'll show you something else before I export the media. I told you that I'll be showing you what is chroma. Right, now I have to use the my blackboard again for chroma study. All right, so there is a picture here. माझ्या मागे एक I have a beautiful scene of Himalayas here, and I have got a video with somebody talking. I have got a video with somebody talking, and I have got a video with Himalayas. I want to show this person with the background of Himalayas. Right? When I shoot this person, I shoot it with chroma, meaning this area should be in one color. Chroma means color, right? Chroma means color. So I have to shoot that person either at the background. The background should either be green or it should be blue. No other color does, right? No other color is effective enough. There is a reason. So suppose आता माझ्या मागे पडदा आहे, तो पडदा पांढरा आहे. Now, if I want to show me at the background of Himalayas or something else, what will I have to do? I have to remove my background and put the Himalaya background behind me. बरोबर? Am I right? सगळ्यांना कळतंय ना?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Right. So I'll have to remove this background and put Himalaya background. Now, if I just place a background with a picture, it is very easy. But suppose it's a live moving Himalaya pan shot. त्याच्या foreground मध्ये मला स्वतःला ठेवायचं आहे. तर मी काय करायचं? So then what I have to do is I have to have a background which I can remove without having any effect on me. So suppose I remove this background, white background, then my hair also will get removed. बरोबर? The hair will get removed because white and white. The computer or the mobile phone, which is like a computer, will understand that there is a white to be removed. It will not understand that the hair is also white, so hair should not be removed and only the the curtain should be removed, right? So for the mobile phone or for the processor or for the program, it's just a white color. When you ask it to remove white, it will remove white, right? So if I do chroma with this color, mere baal to chale gaye. I can't use that. That's number one. But if I use green, now green is one color which we do not have anywhere on our body. Our body colors are made of primarily three colors, right? Yellow, red, and black. These are the three colors which compose our body colors, right? Shirt, this one is dark navy blue. Navy blue itself is a combination of yellow and green, so it's dangerous. But this is very dark. But I can't wear a green color shirt when I'm doing a green chroma. I have to wear either white or completely black or completely red. I should not wear anything that is green on this shirt. Or if I use blue chroma, then I should not wear anything that has got blue in it. Now the point is, previously we used to use a lot of blue chroma, but we stopped using blue chroma because the main reason is when you've got black hair, the black hair reflects a little bit of blue. ब्लॅक हेडचं रिफ्लेक्शन ब्लूइश असतं थोडंसं त्यामुळे जर का ते रिफ्लेक्शन आलं तर दॅट गेट्स डिझॉल्व सो वी आर युझिंग ग्रीन एव्हरीवेअर आय एम गोइंग टू यूज an old video of mine which I am going to download and I'm going to show you how the green chroma is done. Give me a moment because I have to download it. I had not planned it today, but I just download it and show you quickly. Just give me 2 minutes. मला इथे डाउनलोड करून तो तिकडे घ्यायला लागणार. Just 1 minute. Also, one moment. I'm going to send this video to all of you also, so that you can also practice exactly what I'm doing. I'm sending it by WhatsApp. Please practice with me. There it is. Please download it, everybody.
Okay. It's not yet downloaded on my mobile. Now, how do I send it to myself? माझ्याकडेच नाही आहे तो व्हिडिओ. I have to email it to myself.
फाईल मॅनेजर मध्ये जाऊन व्हॉट्सअपच्या सेंट व्हिडिओज मध्ये मिळेल तुम्हाला, मग तो तुम्ही कुठे दुसरीकडे मूव्ह करून ठेवू शकता.
I do it faster by emailing it to myself. आणि मला तो परत कधी दाखवायचा होता तो वापरता येईल. दाखवणं क्रोमा शूट दाखवणं फार कठीण असतं ऍक्च्युली बिकॉज देन द लाइटिंग विल टेक एजेस सो बेटर टू डू दिस ओके आय ऑलरेडी गॉट इट डोंट वरी You have downloaded, everybody?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to import it now on Kinema.
Right, something. I'll tell you what to do. Just give me a moment. I'll share my screen first. Am I still sharing? No, na? So I'm still sharing the screen. Okay. I'm already sharing, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So I'll just go to KineMaster. Here I am. Now I've got the video in my downloads, I think. It'll be there in my downloads. Videos. Download. There. I already had it. It's already had it. So now this is the video I've got. Now this has been shot with a green background. So I'm going to utilize this as a green chroma. Ata, it is a vertical video or rather a square video. Now what we have to do is we have to remove the parts which are not necessary. How will you remove them? Please tell me. Click on the video. Click on the video. Click on the middle one. Can you see that? Click on the video. Click on the middle wala pan and zoom wala, and in the original position expand it so that the parda वगैरह आहे सगळं निघून जाईल हे बघा. So I just expand it and move it so that the parda is gone. See that? Right? Can you see that? The mirror is gone. Right? Go to the end screen and do the same thing. End screen, do the same thing. Now if you see the video, the parda and everything is gone and my background is purely green in color. Okay, I'll show you something else also. Now, suppose I want to change this entire project into a square one instead of a horizontal one, right? Let us go back. Let us get out of the project. I'm going to go back button. I go out, right? Then my project is saved here. Now I click on this project and are you with me? Are you with me? Just
Yes.
press the, okay, we are in the project here. आपण आता आपल्या प्रोजेक्ट मध्ये आहोत, right? You just
Yes.
press this button, so you get out of the project. You are out of the project. Now you can see you are directly into the KineMaster initial screen. You press the back button once more, right? Oh, sorry. On the KineMaster screen, you press this project button once. This is where you should be. And now there are 4 buttons here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right?
I can't
You
see.
press माझ्या या स्क्रीनवर बघ ना.
Oh,
Right? You click on the project wala button once and you will get this screen.
okay.
Now you have got 4 buttons here. याचा मधला button press the third button press कर.
Ah,
Now you choose the 1:1 format. Square. Right? And now the new project is now there ready with 1:1. Open it. आता तुम्हाला दिसेल की तो फॉर्मॅट सॉरी मी चुकीचा ओपन केला. हा नवीन आहे. And you can see now that the format is square. Can you see that on the screen? हे बघा हा आडवा व्हिडिओ मध्ये आला आणि वरती आणि खालती काळं आलं
ah,
कारण चौकोनी फॉर्मॅट आहे. Now let's go straight to my video which I saw. आता डाउनलोड केलाय बघा. Now it has fit entire screen because it's not square because the original video was square.
हे मला व्हॉट्सअप पण कसं घ्यायचं कळत नाही अजून.
तुला पण तोच प्रॉब्लेम आला. मी तुला ईमेल करतो. ते आता कौस्तुभने सांगितलं ते करता येईल पण ते तुला सेटिंग मध्ये जाऊन करायला लागेल. वेट आय एम गोइंग टू सेंड फॉरवर्ड दिस टू. हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू हॅव नॉट गॉट द व्हिडिओ?
So I got it on WhatsApp, but I don't know how to put it in
Yeah, I'm just sending it to you now on your mobile email. Gmail वर जा आणि चेक कर.
ना डायरेक्ट गॅलरीत येईल ना, गॅलरीत येईल डायरेक्ट.
गॅलरी मध्ये येईल मंजुश्री.
हा डायरेक्ट गॅलरी मध्ये व्हॉट्सअप मध्ये.
मध्ये कसं घ्यायचं इथून?
हा
इंडिया मध्ये जाऊन का?
मीडिया मध्ये जाऊन आलाय का बघ, नाहीतर आता मी ईमेल केलाय तुला, ईमेल मधून डाउनलोड कर की डाउनलोड फोल्डर मध्ये येईल.
नाही गॅलरीमध्ये गेल्यानंतर व्हॉट्सअपच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये मिळेल ना.
हो मला
गॅलरी मध्ये व्हॉट्सअप व्हिडिओज मध्ये मिळेल.
हा.
दिसत नाही कसं जायचं.
व्हॉट्सअप व्हिडिओज.
व्हॉट्सअप व्हिडिओच मला कसं जायचं कळत नाही.
मीडियाला प्रेस कर.
हो मीडियाला केलं.
आता त्याच्यामध्ये फोल्डर दिसत असतील तुला.
नाही ना तिथेच मला फेवरेट व्हिडिओज अल्बम्स
हा अल्बम मध्ये जा.
कशात ऑल मध्ये जाऊ का?
हा
नाही हे वेगळंच काहीतरी. आणि रिसेंटली ऍडेड मध्ये पण आत्ताच नाही आहे.
रिसेंट मध्ये जाईल रिसेंट.
रिसेंट ऍडेड
हम्म.
नाही दिसत आहे. पण
तुला
डाऊन
तुझ्या व्हॉट्सअपच्या सेटिंग मध्ये जाऊन
हा
यू अलाउ डाउनलोड ऑन वायफाय.
ओके.
Then when you play it, it will automatically download into your WhatsApp folder, WhatsApp videos folder.
ओके.
Okay. Anyway, I think we should proceed. It's getting late, Manjuti.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to now click on this video. I'm going to use this middle button, hey wala, and I'm going to expand the video thoda sa mota karto mi, so that I don't get the parda there. All right. I'm going to move this video and the end position also. I'm going to थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देता हूँ so that there is no
हे
पर्दा.
हे कसं करतात का माझं होत नाहीये.
ओके व्हिडिओला क्लिक करायचं
हा केलं
आणि हे मधलं बटन क्लिक करायचं
केलं.
आणि मग स्टार्ट पोझिशन आणि एंड पोझिशनला तुम्ही छोटं मोठं करू शकताय बघा. आलं
नाही.
सर आलं.
माझ्या बरोबर कर ना कौस्तुभ. डू
हो
इट
हो.
विथ मी, डू इट विथ मी. क्लिक ऑन द व्हिडिओ,
हम्म.
क्लिक ऑन द मिडल बटन,
हा
मिडल आयकॉन.
हा.
You get the start and end position.
येस.
Click on the start position
हम्म.
and pinch or do this with the video. या screen वरती.
ओके ओके ओके. या.
Yeah. So
Yes.
define the start position, define the end position,
हम्म.
right? End position, so that the parda goes away, and then say okay. Or maybe
Okay.
what I'll do is I'll keep the parda for this. Then you'll see what happens if I don't remove the parda.
हम्म.
Alright. I'm going to keep the
Okay.
exact. जसं आहे तसं ठेवणार आहे आता.
येस येस.
Alright. So okay, here it is. The entire video. I say okay. So now I've got this video playing, right? Now what I'm going to do is आता जर का ह्याला क्रोमा देता म्हणजे जर का मला ग्रीन जर का काढून टाकायचं असेल तर मी ग्रीन काढू शकणार नाही कारण इन प्रीमियर अँड अदर हायर एंड सॉफ्टवेअर दे कन्सिडर द बॅकग्राऊंड ॲज डिफॉल्ट एज ब्लॅक. KineMaster डझंट डू इट. मी मुद्दामून चूक का केली कारण तुम्हाला परत तुम्ही चूक करणार नाही. आय कॅनॉट रिमूव्ह क्रोमा इन दिस. आता मला या मेनू मध्ये इकडचा जो मेनू मध्ये आहे मला क्रोमा दिसणारच नाही.
ओके.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this video. It will delete karna. Please delete the video from the timeline.
ओके.
Right? Now again go to media and you will get images folder. Default images folder येतो. KineMasterचा हा इथे images folder येतो.
हा.
Click on that. I'm going to use maybe this one, this graphic हे जे आहे ना इथे मधले one of these graphics. Okay, I'm going to use this one. This second last one I'm going to use this one.
ओके.
I'm going to use that and I'm going to put it down here. माझ्या timeline वर आलं खाली आणि त्याची मी आता हे रेंज वाढवतोय. हे अशी रेंज वाढवतोय. So it will fit on the video.
ओके.
Right? Now I go to the beginning of that graphic. Right? I go to beginning of that graphic. आता इथे मी layer press करणार आहे. I press the layer button here, this layer button here. In the layer, sorry, I pressed the wrong thing. In the layer, I press the layer button. In the layer, I press media.
ओके.
In the layer, I press media.
हा.
Then I again go to that video
ओके.
and I use that video now. Now I got the video on top of that layer.
Yes.
I'm going to increase the size of the video to fit the frame.
Okay.
Right? मगाशी केलं तेच करायचं परत. Yeah? Same thing I'm going to do it again. आता माझा व्हिडिओ असा दिसतोय त्याच्यामध्ये. बरोबर? आता माझा व्हिडिओ जास्ती आणि बॅकग्राऊंड कमी. So I'm going to increase the background still more so that it covers the entire video. Right? हे बघा. Can you see what I'm doing? राणे सरांना दिसत असेल हे बघा. मी वरचं बॅकग्राऊंड आहे ना ते मी वरचं खेचतोय माझ्या व्हिडिओ खाली माझा व्हिडिओ आहे. So I'm just pulling it so that it fits the entire video. पुढे जाऊन मी I'm going to fit it the entire video. आता माझा सगळा व्हिडिओ कव्हर झाला. So this is how the video is looking. All right. आता now you click on the video green वाला माझा व्हिडिओ जो आहे ना त्याला क्लिक करा.
ओके.
आणि आता इथे जा तुम्ही इथे. आता इथे तुम्हाला क्रोमा की दिसते.
Yes.
Now click
Yes,
on the chroma. Click on the chroma and enable it.
Yes.
Click on the chroma and enable it. बघा काय झालं तिकडे व्हिडिओला.
येस सर, डन.
राईट. सो आय रिमूव्ह द बॅकग्राऊंड. आता त्याचं थोडंसं फाईन ट्युनिंग करायचं. हे दोन आहेत ना, हे दोन वापरून थोडं फाईन ट्युनिंग करायचं. सी ट्राय इट युअरसेल्फ. काय होतं त्यांनी बघा. You try it yourself. What happens, you will only understand. So you have to achieve the optimum result in that. जे सर्वात चांगलं दिसतं ते आपण घ्यायचं.
Yes.
There is no rule. There is no rule की एवढं 40% पाहिजे, 60% पाहिजे, अमुक पाहिजे, असं काही नाहीये. And then you tick mark. Right? And then play. आता माझे केस हिरवे दिसत आहेत ना थोडेसे. त्याचं कारण काय माहितीये, मी क्रोमा लाइटिंग प्रोफेशनल केलं नव्हतं म्हणून त्या ग्रीन कलर माझ्या केसांवर रिफ्लेक्ट होत होता आणि केसावर ग्रीन होता तो बरोबर या क्रोमा कीने पकडला. तो आता दिसतोय त्याच्यामध्ये कॅमेराने पकडलाय. आपल्याला कळत नाही पण कॅमेरा कधी खोटं बोलत नाही म्हणतात ते ह्याला. इट इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग द ग्रीन कलर म्हणून केस जरासे ग्रीन दिसत आहे. राईट.
येस.
आता मागचं बॅकग्राऊंड पण मूव्ह होत आहे थोडं. नाउ आय वॉन्ट टू मूव्ह द बॅकग्राऊंड. बॅकग्राऊंडला क्लिक करा, मधलं बटन क्लिक करा, त्याची स्टार्ट पोझिशन एंड पोझिशन डिसाइड करा. आहे बघा. वी नो व्हॉट टू डू नाउ. राईट. सो आय एम गोइंग टू एक्सपांड दिस अ लिटल बिट मोर and then I'm going to use the end screen and I'm going to use this here. I'm going to say okay, and now you can see the background also moving. Sarah, are you getting this? You're not answered even once.
Yes, I am.
All right, please tell me if you have gotten doubts.
No.
Now, if you play this, you'll see the background. I have given animation to the background, and of course, I have removed chroma from my green screen with a green screen, and you can see this. So while you do that, I'm going to open another of my videos, and I'm going to show that to you. Tell me when you are ready. I'll show you that video. All right.
Yes.
Now I have to find where I've kept that. I'll find it. I can't find that one. I'll show you another one which I've used. Done very, very recently. I've done this video. I'll just show this to you. I've used exactly the same technique in this. The only thing is, of course, I've not used KineMaster for this. I've used my regular software, or maybe I use KineMaster. I don't remember. I'm going to play this and I'm going to show it to you. All right. I'm sharing my screen with you. I can't share when I'm sharing this one. Okay. This you understood? Okay, let me continue this first. let me show what Manjari Joshi asked right in the beginning. I'm going to show you how to export this. Now this video is set, right? I'm going to export it now. I'm going to use the आता इथे आता काय झालं तुम्ही बघितलं असेल तर all these pictures were meant for 16 by 9. Now they have become smaller, so you have to resize these. These also you have to resize to fit the new format that we have used. Okay, so this one, then this one also you have to resize to fit the square format, right? But the benefit is that you don't have to edit it again. You just have to resize them. All right. This is a facility which has been given to by KineMaster when I started using the last lecture of the second batch. So the second batch were very lucky; they got the KineMaster, this one. So this is the, I'll just use this and change. I'm going to delete one of them, not necessary. All right. So I've got the video here. I've got this two. This sound goes back, and then the video starts here. I'm going to export this entire thing. So आता export बघून घ्या सगळ्यांनी. The right arrow top, right top, the arrow जो आहे वरती point केलेला. Click on that. Now listen what I'm saying. There are three most important things when you are exporting a video: resolution, frame rate, and bit rate. I have told you what it is. Frame rate is the number of frames you see in a second. Resolution is the DPI, as we say it in the still images. So 2160p or 1920 by 1080, and the amount of data that is there in that. And lastly is bitrate, how much data is sent to your screen in 1 second. So bitrate is counted in Mbps, megabytes per second. Resolution is counted in pixels, right? Depending on the size of the video, and frame rate is of course frames per second. Now, when you use 4K with the highest resolution, you can see that on my screen, it is actually taking 1297 MB, that is 1.2 GB, right? When I take the lower in that itself, it goes to what? I can't see it like this. It goes to how much? 139 MB. Because it's a 4K resolution, it's a very big frame size also, so the resolution is also very high. And I normally, it depends on what you're going to deliver it to. If you're going to deliver it to a mobile phone, you don't have to give 4K. It's not going to play 4K anyway. All mobile phones don't have 4K. The best thing to do is use 720p, which is very safe. Most of the phones have got 720p resolution, right? So it will play on there. So you make a 4K video and send it to a phone which has not got more than 720p. What's the point, right? So always use a little lower resolution. It looks very nice in the video. So I'm going to use HD, 30 frames per second, and bitrate I'm going to use something. So I'm going to use this lowest bitrate right now. Very high will go to 144 MB, and 15 MB will be this lowest one. And I'm going to export it. Here I go exporting. It'll take a little bit more time than last time because we have also got an entire video to export. The whole flute song. So while it's exporting, I suggest you all minimize the KineMaster. Go to your file manager. Go to your file manager. Each one of you go to your file manager. I'm also going to my file manager here. While it's exporting, it will export on its own. So I'm going to go to my file manager. My file manager is here. Tools, file, my files, and it is in your internal memory, internal storage. In internal storage, you'll see a folder called KineMaster. You can see this KineMaster, right? So click on KineMaster. In that, you'll have a folder called Export. Click on Export, and you'll have this all your files here. It's still being exported, so I think it is not yet come on the screen. It is still being exported. So let us wait for that to export. Entire export नहीं हुआ, ये देखो चालू है अभी export. Still exporting. Now it's exported. Now if you go to the file manager, you'll see So if I play this, oh, I am unable to play during the call. So this is my latest export, is 18.88 MB. I'm going to try and send it to you, or you can do the export and see it yourself. Right? You can just export and see it yourself. Try out the Chroma and export it yourself. तुम्ही स्वतः ते export करा. प्रयत्न करा. I'm going to show you the other video. I'm going to go off the screen from my mobile phone, and I'm going to stop sharing my mobile phone and go and share the video from there. What I'm showing you is how I've used Chroma to make another of my flute compositions. I'm going off there. All right, here it is. So this also, I've used exactly the same thing. I've shot myself with this Chroma screen, and I've removed the Chroma. And background भी आधी ही background सगळी तयार केली. I used one background of the Morpheus आहे त्याचा Morpheusचा एक background. त्याच्यावरती मी एक layer दिला. I added a layer on top of that where I kept on changing these pictures of Krishna, and on top of that I kept myself. So you've got this 3-layered combination which is there on the video. All right, that's how you do Chroma. Okay. Got it, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Exporting कळलं, Chroma कळला, right?
हो हो.
Start and end screen कळलं, त्याचं साऊंड कळला. हे सगळं
हो.
प्रॅक्टिस केल्याशिवाय मी तुम्हाला 10 दिवस आणि अजून महिनाभर शिकवलं तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही जोपर्यंत प्रॅक्टिस करत नाही तुम्हाला कोणालाही काही जमणार नाही. दॅट इज गॅरंटी. बट इफ यू प्रॅक्टिस within few days you can master this very easily. There are hundreds of other tools in KineMaster, but this not what I am teaching you is basically main is making a film. Baki everything is ornamental, right? So many transitions, so many effects. I'm going to deal with that tomorrow once more. We are going to meet the last time, right? I'm going to show you some more small things in that video. आणि एक किरण सॉरी राणे सरांनी सांगितलेलं एक गोष्ट राहिली डायलॉगशी, ती उद्या मी नक्की कव्हर करेन. राणे सर, मी विसरलो नाहीये, पण आज आपल्या सगळ्यामध्ये वेळ झाला नाही.
आणि ते ऑडिओसिटी काय डाउनलोड करून ठेवायचं का?
ऑडिओसिटी मी तुम्हाला लिंक पाठवतो. आपण वी आर गोइंग टू हॅव अ व्हेरी क्विक सेशन ऑन ऑडिओसिटी, राइट? We are going to have a quick session on Audacity, and I'm going to show you some of the effects that are there in KineMaster. In fact, I don't need to show you. You can see it yourself. KineMaster open करा, व्हिडिओ टाका, व्हिडिओला क्लिक करा आणि इफेक्ट्स वर जाऊन वेगवेगळे इफेक्ट ट्राय करा. ओके, दॅट इज अ बेटर वे टू लर्न. ऑलराइट. जोशी, तुम्ही काय बोलत होता?
नाही म्हणजे समजलं असं.
ओके, ठीक आहे. So I think we'll end for today. It's already 10:42. My God. Okay. So thank you everybody for joining me. Everybody okay with what we have done today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sara, okay? You learned, understood everything?
Yes.
All right, Mandar.
ओके, थँक्यू.
Yes.
Okay. मंजिरी जोशी, चैत्राली, कळलं सगळं?
येस सर.
वस्तू ओके? राणे साहेब, तुम्हाला बहुतेक घरी बघायला लागेल व्हिडिओ सगळं. मी आता रात्रीच अपलोड करतोय तो.
या
हा, तुम्हाला ते सगळं बघायला लागेल. परत तुम्हाला ते डायरेक्टली दिसत नाही ना. जस्ट प्रॅक्टिस इट. माझा व्हिडिओ मी आजच रात्री अपलोड
It actually requires lot of practice.
Yeah, it will require a lot of practice, of course. Yeah. Manjushri, okay? Done?
Yes.
All right. So thank you, everybody. Have a very good night. And we are meeting
Yes.
tomorrow at 9 p.m. again. Chalo.
Yes.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Good night. Bye.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.